Okay. So, I hope you all remember your homework was exercise 11, 16 and 17. We will start with exercise number 11 ka discussion first. And Lisha has already requested that she wants to answer. So, I'll give her the turn. Just hold on. Let me come to the right slide. Yeah. So here it is. Lisha, I give you the speech access.
Yes, teacher.
Hello, dear. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good. Great to know. So, Lisha, let's start. You can answer the first question.
Yeah. Les étudiants sont entrés en classe avec leurs livres.
Okay.
Avec leurs livres. Sorry.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Self correction. Super. So, first one ka spelling bolo. L apostrophe changes to Lisha.
LES
Ethudiant with
S
EST changes to
SONT
entree with.
S.
Very, very good. Here, class, remember, she is doing agreement because the sentence is in passive composé with एत्र conjugation. Advent के लिस्ट में entre आता है, इसीलिए she has put the s over here. अगर our के साथ verb आता ये तो हम s नहीं लगाते, मतलब agreement नहीं करते. All right? Yeah. Continue, Lisha. Does en change?
No.
Very, very good. So she remembers this rule as well. For those who don't know, I repeat, the word en doesn't change and the word after en also does not change. You have to remember this. Yeah, continue, Lisha. Avec, does it change?
No.
Very good. SES changes to?
LEURS.
Very, very good. How did you know this, Lisha?
Possessive pronouns.
Possessive, adjective.
Adjective. Sorry.
Okay. So what's happening over here is लेत्यूदियोंत. Il है ना लेत्यूदियोंत singular में, इसलिए सा सेम इसे लिखा हुआ है इधर. Now she is changing लेत्यूदियोंत to les étudiants. Plural में कर रहे हैं. Les étudiants becomes ils, है ना, ILS. It is pronounced as ill, but I am pronouncing it as ills so that you understand that it's now become plural. So because this has become ills, ILS, ills के साथ लर with s लगाते हैं. She has chosen लर with s because हमको plural चाहिए. Very good, Lisha. And livre, does it change?
No, it remains the same.
Why, Lisha?
Because it already has an S.
Very, very good, Lisha. So here is the first answer, exactly as she has said. Isha, you can go ahead with the second one as well.
Yes. JETEZ, Jete, lay, LES, balloon with an S, an exclamatory mark.
Very good. Okay, so here what was very, very important is dropping one T. Jete is a semi-regular verb. मतलब half regular, half irregular. Half regular मतलब हम endings E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT लगाते हैं. तो regular part वही है. ER का endings लेता है वो. But the irregular part over here is the double T changes to single T in the nu and vu. There is double T everywhere except in nu and vu. Nu and vu में single T आना चाहिए. Just like Lisha pointed out. Very good, Lisha. Form में आज.
Teacher, there should be an exclamation mark also, right?
Yes, there should be, but since the question doesn't have one, you will also not put it.
Okay.
Okay, if you add, then there is no like mark deduction for it.
Okay.
Continue, Lisha.
Ils, ILS, on,
Very good.
ONT, Finny
Very good.
remains the same.
Exactly. So, yes.
LEURS, lures, Travox, TRAVAUX.
Super. Very, very good. So here again, if you see, Fini को S नहीं लगाया because this time the agreement will not happen. Why did the agreement not take place, Lisha?
Because it is conjugated with avoir.
Very, very good. So only and only when the verb is conjugated with etre, passive composé वाला जब etre वाला है हमारे पास verb, advent के list वाला verb है, तो ही agreement करना है, नहीं तो नहीं. Finir doesn't come in etre list. यहाँ पे avoir में conjugate हुआ है, आप बाजू में देख सकते हो. Il, a, il, ont. तो a and ont avoir का conjugation है, which is why past participle is not taking the agreement. Okay. Continue, Lisha. Fourth one.
Les, les, directors with an S.
Very good.
Parlent, parlent.
Very good.
Or aux.
Very, very good.
Parents with an S. They, des, étudiants. S.
Very good. So again, what is very important over here is le director changing to le director. मतलब il is changing to il, which is why parl is becoming parlent. ये तो normal present tense है. il के साथ ending e होता है, ils के साथ ending ent होता है. This is present tense. You see यहाँ पे बीच में avoir, etre कुछ भी नहीं है. Which is why parl is not taking s, it is becoming parlent. Conjugate हो रहा है ils form में. Let me know in the chat box if you are understanding this, why parle has become parlent. Please let me know in the chat box if you have understood this part. Yes. Okay. Very good. All right. So now we give the speech access to someone else. Nisha, thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Vijay wanted to answer. He has put in the chat box, ma'am, me. Okay. So, Vijay, I am going to unmute you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear. So, you have to start from the fifth question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, start.
Say CES,
Very good.
histoire with an S,
Very, very good.
sont,
Very good.
drôle with an S.
Excellent. Because this one is an adjective. If you remember, adjective को हम S, E, ES लगाते हैं, जैसे grand. Okay, GRAND, GRANDE. वैसे ही droll को हम S लगा रहे हैं क्योंकि plural कर रहे हैं. Continue, Vijay.
Yes, ma'am. Nous resons the bon cœur.
Okay. So the bon cœur को हम वैसे का वैसे छोड़ेंगे. But resaw, okay. Vijay, this is an irregular verb. अगर ये regular होता तो आप right होते. Because this is irregular, so ये resaw will become rion, R-I-O-N-S. I will display
Okay,
the
ma'am.
answer over here. Rest of the things that you have told are absolutely correct. Only resaw नहीं, rion. S drop हो
Yeah, ma'am.
जाएगा, R-I-O-N-S. The bon cœur does not change because it is a phrase, wholeheartedly. है ना, हम इसको wholeheartedly नहीं बोल सकते. So it has
Yes,
to
ma'am.
remain as it is. Continue, Vijay, with the next one.
Les enfants with
Very
an
good.
S,
Very
sont,
good. Yes.
party with an S,
Very, very good.
à l'école.
Okay. Or you can even change A grave L apostrophe to
AUX.
yes, AUX and école with
école
S.
with an S.
Yes, so you can do that too.
Okay, ma'am.
Absolutely correct. What was very, very important here is past participle, which Vijay remembered very well. Very good, Vijay. Seventh one, dear.
Sorry. Ce sont
Yes.
les,
Yes.
ce sont les text with an S
Hmm.
and the fronts.
Very good. Ce sont les textes de français. For those who don't know, say becomes ce sont. It is an expression. Okay. Say matlab this is. It changes to these are. Okay. Say changes to ce sont in plural. If you are not aware of this, you can take a note. Rest of it is correct. Of French, the text of French. Okay, so of French remains of French. It doesn't change. है ना, DE को वैसे ही छोड़ा, फ्रांसे भी वैसे ही. Vijay, next.
Yes, ma'am. Avez-vous écrit Le réponse.
Very good. So tell me,
Réponse
Vijay.
with an S.
Yes. Does accrete take S?
No, because it is not conjugated with etra.
Excellent. So he is very well aware of the agreement rule. The agreement takes place only and only when you have etra. Okay, here it is our, so we won't do the agreement part over here. Excellent. Very, very good, Vijay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, we mute you. Thank you, dear. So you can have a look for a few seconds. If you have any doubts, you can put them in the chat box. If not, you give me a green signal so I can change the slide. Okay, so I've got green signal only from Vijay and Srishti as of now. Others, any doubt, please do feel free to ask. Okay, somebody has a doubt. Isha. Okay, I didn't understand Travai. Travai is an exception, Isha. So when I teach plural exclusively as a topic, that is when I will put this in the exception form. Okay. Usually it takes S. You are right, but here this is an exception. Okay. So which is why it's changing to Travo. So you can make a note of it. You can see my cursor, class. Travai is changing to Travo. So this is an exception. You can take a note of it. Isha, you got me? Yeah, okay. All right. So most of them are saying good to go, no doubts, clear. All right. Let's proceed. All right. The first one is already given to you as an example. Okay. Abhi second one. Let me know. Shikha wants to answer. Okay. Shikha, I'm going to give you the speech access. Hi Shikha, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Okay, great. So Shikha, first वाला आपको example में already दिया है. You have to start from the second one. What do you think? Which monument it is, Shikha?
Latur the peace.
Very, very good. So
Through
yes,
Delhi.
very good. So through en लिखेंगे हम en. Okay. Now why does it have en over here? First वाले में एग्राव है, second वाले में en है. शिखा, could you explain?
Yes.
ये difference क्यों है? Do you know?
No, miss.
Acha, okay. So if you see Italy is a, yes, exactly. Vijay has put it in the chat box. Agrav is used for cities. Abhi Italy is not a city, na? It is a country and it is feminine, which is why we have taken en over here before Italy. Shikha, you got it now? Shikha, can you hear me? Shikha? Looks like she has some problems. All right. Others, have you understood this? I repeat, for cities we write a graph. So जावेद आ मुंबई, ये वाला सेंटेंस हमने बहुत बार किया होगा 8th में, है ना? हमने आ मुंबई बोला because it is a city. Now, if I want to say I live in India, then I will say जावेद on and en. Why en? Because this time it is country. En. Similarly here Italy, country है. That's why en. Latour the peace search through on Italy. En choose किया because it is feminine. अगर masculine होता तो हम क्या लिखते? Let me know in the chat box. Absolutely correct, Shivani. Vijay, very good. So if the country is masculine, we are going to add AU. Okay, those who don't know, you can note it down. Feminine countries के लिए हम EN लगाते हैं, masculine countries के लिए AU. Okay, Vijay has answered my next question also. How do you know, Vijay? I was about to ask that. For plural, मतलब एताज यूनि हमारे सिलेबस में ये एक ही है. Okay, so here एताज यूनि अगर होता कंट्री में तो हम AUX लगाते. Okay, it will come ahead in the example, so we will see at that time. I go ahead with the next one. All right, let's see if Shikha is still there. I think she has some net issues. So anyone else who would like to answer, let me know in the chat box. Srishti, I give you the speech access as you request.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, dear. Yeah.
Yes.
So we will start with this one. See my cursor over here. Let's start.
Okay, miss. A kangaroo saw
Very
through
good. Yes.
an Australia
Okay. क्या preposition use किया आपने dear? Spelling बोलो.
en.
Very, very good. So she has rightly chosen the preposition over here as en. Why did you choose en, Srishti?
Miss, because it is a feminine country.
Okay. And how did you know it is a feminine country, Srishti?
Miss ending E is there.
Absolutely correct. Very, very good. Good. क्या बात है? Next one, Srishti.
La Grande Muraille se trouve en Chine.
Very good. Very good. La Grande Muraille is the Great Wall of China. Okay, so we know Great Wall of China. Monument के नाम में ही है. It is located in China. En because again it is feminine, and now we know how to figure out its feminine. Srishti has just mentioned. We go ahead. Yeah, Srishti, next one.
Les pyramids se trouvent en Egypte.
Srishti, could you repeat? We could not hear you.
Les pyramids se trouvent en Egypte.
Very good. Okay. Now, if you note, Sir Trove has changed to Sir Trouvent क्योंकि ले पिरामिड है. So this is
Okay,
very
miss.
important. यहाँ पे conjugation हमको change करना है. Okay, Trouvent. Those who did not do this, please make sure you do this change. Make the changes,
Okay,
do the
miss.
correction. Yeah. Next one, dear.
Le Mont Fujiyama se trouve à Japon.
Okay. O Japon. O. क्यों? क्योंकि ये masculine है. Okay.
Okay. Okay, miss.
Japon is not ending in E. That's how we come to know it's masculine. इसलिए हमने AU लिखा. विजय, Egypt is feminine, dear. देखो वो E से end हो रहा है ना विजय, है ना? Egypt. See the ending. You can see the spelling EGYPTE. So since it is ending in E, we have written the preposition as EN. I hope I'm clear. Yeah. Thank you, Vijay. Any doubts so far? Let me know in the chat box. So here is the difference. First वाले में हमने EN लिखा and second वाले में हमने AU लिखा. First वाला feminine था इसीलिए EN, second वाला masculine था इसीलिए AU. So you will see the difference on the screen over here. I hope this is clear. Choosing the right preposition is very, very important. All right. So since you have understood, I'll go ahead. Yeah. Shrishti, here comes
Yes.
the next one.
La statue de la liberté se trouve aux États Unis.
Very, very good. So you see, United States of America, है ना? Plural. इसलिए हमने AUX लिखा. Just like we discussed before. And the next one, dear.
Le Mont Saint-Michel se trouve en Normandie.
Very good. Search through EN or Normandy. Normandy is a region in the north of France. So we will be talking about it in the first chapter. All right. So those who do not know Normandy, as of now, you can even write en France. But it is always better to be very precise. So you have to write en Normandy. In English, Normandy is Normandy. But in French, it is Normandie. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, thank you so much, Shrishti. All your answers were correct.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. It is Isha who wants to answer the 7th question. Okay. Isha form में है आज. Yes, Palak. So after a few sentences, I'll give you the right. Okay. Let Isha start and then you will continue. All right. So be ready. Yes, Isha, start.
Hello, ma'am. Good
Hello,
evening.
dear. Good evening.
I'll start.
Yes, yes. Please do start.
The last month, I went for a picnic with my friends of the locality.
Very good.
We went to the beach.
Yes.
We took the car.
Yes. Absolutely correct. Continue.
We arrived at 11 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. अगर ये at होता तो एग्राव होता. Because it is where मतलब around 11 o'clock, not exactly 11. Okay.
तो at around आएगा.
Just around, you can simply say around. We arrived around 11 a.m.
Okay.
Yeah. Isha, next sentence.
We swam in the blue sea.
Absolutely correct. Thank you so much, Isha. We give the speech access to Palak now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Palak, I hope you are ready.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, dear.
Good afternoon.
Oh.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Let's start.
Yes. We came out of the water and we played badminton.
Very, very good.
In the afternoon, we ate sandwiches and French fries.
Very good. क्या बात है?
In the evening, we played cricket. And
Yes. Excellent.
we spent a pleasant day.
Very, very good. Absolutely correct and perfect. Very, very good, Isha. Very, very good, Palak, Vijay, Lisha. सब फॉर्म में आज क्या बात है? Okay. So, are we? No, I think we are done with the discussion of homework. So, thank you so much, dear Palak. I'm going to mute you for a while. Yeah, she's already muted herself. Great. So, we are done with the discussion of exercise number 11, 16, and 17. Just let me know in the chat box if you are clear with these three exercises. Yeah, okay. Nisha says clear, Palak says crystal clear. Okay, great. Good to go. Clear, green signal. Super. Very good. Kya baat hai? So I'm going ahead since you say that you all have understood. Now we are going to solve this exercise together. All right. Before I do this, there is one thing that I want. Shikha, no problem. It's okay. We understand the technical issues. All right. I'm going to ask you simple questions. So, who wants to answer? Let me know in the chat box. They are very, very simple questions. Not to worry. Yeah, Vijay wants to answer. Okay, Vijay. Okay, Vijay, Samara is here. Since you've answered earlier, I'll give the speech access to Samara. All right, Vijay? Yeah. Hi,
Hello,
Samara.
Good evening.
Hello. Good evening. Very good evening. Okay. Samara, last class or maybe last to last, we had done possessive adjectives. Do you remember?
Ma'am, I wasn't there. I wasn't there for that class.
Okay. Would you still like to answer, or shall I give the speech access to Vijay?
I guess you should give it to him. I might make a few mistakes, so I'll just listen.
Okay. So you can learn from him then. I'll give the speech
Yeah,
access
sure.
to Vijay.
Yeah.
In case you have any doubt, please put it in the chat box. Okay, Samara?
Yeah. Sorry.
Or you can listen to the recording of the last class.
Yeah. Sorry.
No problem, dear. Vijay, we come back to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi again, Vijay. So, Vijay, possessive adjectives. Just quickly tell me, j के साथ हम कौन से वाले possessive adjectives लिखते हैं?
Mon, ma, me,
Absolutely correct. Q.
to, tate,
Very, very good. Il, el, and on. ये तीनों के लिए
so, sa, se,
excellent. Nu,
notre, notre, no, and no.
bu. Yes, very good.
Votre, wo,
Absolutely correct. And last wala, ils and else wala.
leurs.
Very good. You can pat your back, Vijay. Absolutely correct. Superb.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, just wait. Hold on.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now you have the questions over here. All right, Vijay, I'm going to mute you and I'll come back to you later.
Yeah, ma'am.
So here you have questions on the left hand side and answers on the right hand side. अभी सारे sentences passive compose में है. If how do you know that? Okay, right hand side में देखोगे तो सब first word past participles है. That's how you come to know it is in passive compose. Also in the left hand side you see subject दिया है and या तो avoir दिया है या तो एत्र का conjugation दिया है. ये दो का ही conjugation दिया है. So this is how we figure out it is only passive compose. Now, while choosing the answer, you will take care of few things. First, एत्र conjugation दिया है तो हम advent list वाले verbs ही choose करेंगे. Okay? Second thing that you will take care of is अगर advent list में से कुछ choose किया तो that past participle should correspond to the subject. मतलब ill है तो agreement नहीं होगा. बट अगर एल होता तो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल शुड टेक ई. तो सब्जेक्ट एंड अग्रीमेंट मैच होना चाहिए, ये चीज का भी ध्यान रखना है. आई रिपीट, फर्स्ट थिंग आवर वाले वर्ब्स आवर के पास्ट पार्टिसिपल के साथ जाने चाहिए, एत्र वाले वर्ब्स एत्र के पास्ट पार्टिसिपल के साथ जाने चाहिए. दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग, अग्रीमेंट एंड सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन बराबर से मैच होना चाहिए. मतलब सब्जेक्ट एल है तो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल में ई होना चाहिए, सब्जेक्ट एल है तो पास्ट पार्टिसिपल में ई एस होना चाहिए. दैट थिंग यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ. थर्ड थिंग इज योर हिंट. इसलिए हमने पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स रिकैप करवाया विजय से. सो हियर व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इज, फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट वन, इल ए, इल है ना सब्जेक्ट में, तो आंसर में शायद सो सा या से हो सकता है या नहीं भी हो सकता है. दैट कुड बी योर हिंट. ओके, यू कैन मे बी चूज, चेक कौन सा वाला परफेक्टली फिट हो रहा है. हो सकता है सौ सा से है वहां पे बट वो एत्र के साथ नहीं आवर के साथ जा रहा हो. तो सारी चीजें अच्छे से यू नो करस्पॉन्ड होनी चाहिए. आई होप आई एम क्लियर एंड नॉट कंफ्यूजिंग यू. आई रिपीट, फर्स्ट थिंग आवर वाले वर्ब्स आवर के पास पार्टिसिपल के साथ, एत्र वाले वर्ब्स एत्र के पास पार्टिसिपल के साथ. सेकेंड, अग्रीमेंट, you have to take care of agreement. past participle and subject pronoun अच्छे से correspond होने चाहिए. and third one, subject pronoun and possessive adjectives भी कहीं पे correspond होगा. that will help you figure out the correct answer. okay, Jai has said 1B in the chat box. so Jai, अगर मैं थर्ड वाला ट्रिक यूज करूं ई के साथ सौ सा से, then it is correct. but सेकेंड वाला ट्रिक अगर मैं यूज करूँ, सी ये सारे ट्रिक्स ना सब मैच होने चाहिए. तो इल ए के साथ आशिते नहीं लिख सकते जय, है ना, क्योंकि आशितेर इज आवर वर्ब नॉट एत्र वर्ब. डू यू गेट मी? यस, नाउ आई गेट द करेक्ट आंसर्स इन द चैट बॉक्स. सो आई गिव यू अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स, यू टेक टाइम टू थिंक, ये तीन चीजें अच्छे से मैच करो एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस. सो आई गिव यू अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स. No problem, Jay. We understand. This may take a while because हमको तीन चीजें एक का ध्यान रखना है. So आराम से करो but perfectly करो. If you finish matching all of these 8, then let me know in the chat box so that we can start with the discussion. I can see the answers coming up in the chat box. First वाला already आपने दे दिया है मुझे. Very good. Wow, there is already done with all of it. Okay, please make sure you write it down so that when we are discussing, you can cross check. Very good, Shivani, Lisha, Vijay, Samara. Great, good to know answers coming up. Palak is also done with all. Wow. क्या बात है, सब फॉर्म में. Rushil is not able to see my screen. Others, can you see my screen? Just let me know in the chat box. Yes. So Rushil, since others can see, then I think आपके वहां से कुछ इंटरनेट इशू होगा. What you could do is join again, okay, with the same ID and password. ईशा is asking how are they writing so fast. ईशा लगता है सब रजनीकांत के फॉलोअर्स है इसलिए फटाफट हो जा रहा है. Yeah, Vijay, hold on. We will be discussing in a while. I'm waiting. Okay, once you're done, please do let me know in the chat box. I think fourth तक हो गया है सबका. Fifth, four more to go. Isha is done. Dhairya is done. Palak is done. Very good. Shivani is on 7th. Okay. Okay, Shivani is also done. Others, let me know. Kushi is done. Great, Kushi. Very good. Konda is also done. Okay, shall we start then? Konda, I'm going to give you the speech access. Hi, Konda. Can you hear me?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, dear. Good evening. Are you done with all of these?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. First one, il a.
Sorti du cinema as Caesar.
Absolutely correct. Very good. Il a sorti. Sorti में agreement नहीं क्योंकि il है. Very good, अथर्व. Second one.
Je visite Paris avec ma famille l'été dernier.
Very, very good. J'ai visité Paris avec ma. तो एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. उसने तीनों चीज को अच्छे से करस्पॉन्ड किया है. ज, avoir का पास्ट पार्टिसिपल एंड ज के साथ मा. वेरी गुड, अथर्व. थर्ड वन, डियर.
Nous sommes rentrés tard chez nous.
वेरी गुड. नू के साथ उसने नू करस्पॉन्ड किया एंड अग्रीमेंट भी हो रहा है क्योंकि नू इज प्लूरल. वेरी गुड. ऊ आथ यू. फोर्थ वन, डियर.
Parler à leur directeur.
वंस अगेन, अथर्व. ऊ आथ यू.
Parler à leur directeur.
अच्छा, ओके. अथर्व, क्यू के साथ लर आ सकता है क्या? जस्ट थिंक.
Sorry, H. Passé tes vacances.
यस, वेरी गुड. सेल्फ करेक्शन. सुपर्ब. ऊ आथ यू पासे टे वाकॉन्स. क्यू के साथ ते. कंटिन्यू, अथर्व. मारीन ए.
Marine et monté dans l'autobus.
वेरी गुड. मारीन इज अ गर्ल इसलिए पास्ट पार्टिसिपल में ई लगाया हुआ है इधर. वेरी गुड, अथर्व. इज ऑन.
Parler à leur directeur.
एब्सोल्युटली ये वाला यहाँ पे आएगा इल्स के साथ लर एंड ऑन है इसीलिए पार्ले. नो अग्रीमेंट. वेरी गुड, अथर्व. सी, उसने अभी करेक्शन किया. ये वेरी वेरी गुड. अथर्व, सेवेंथ.
Elle a acheté un cadeau pour son mari.
वेरी गुड. एल के साथ सौसा से एंड आवर के साथ उसमें आवर वाला पास्ट पार्टिसिपल चूज किया. सुपर. एंड लास्ट वन.
Valérie et Nicole sont venus chez moi pour la fête.
Very good. So if you see the subject, Valerie and Nicole, two girls, which is why past participle is with es. Okay, I hope this is clear with everyone. You can take a few seconds, do the correction, and if you have any doubt, please do put in the chat box. I have highlighted a few things. This is for your understanding. In case you have any doubt, please do ask. Yeah, okay. Which is given green signal. Others, any doubt? Shall we go ahead? Shall we wait? Please do let me know. Yeah. Shushti is done. Palak is done. Lisha says proceed. Very good, very good. क्या बात है? Superb. So everyone says go ahead. We go ahead. All right. I'm going to stop sharing, and we will start with another topic. Just hold on. Let me share another PPT with you. Okay. Just let me know if you can see my screen in the chat box. Yes, yes, great. So as you can see, we are going to talk about the regular verbs. Yes, there are three categories of regular verbs: ER, IR, and RE. Okay, and let me know in the chat box. First column में SP लिखा है. What does SP stand for? I'm sure everyone is very well aware of this by now. Yes, absolutely correct. Shivani, Palak, very good. Very good, Lisha, Vijay, Konda, Rashi, super. So SP is the subject pronoun. You are absolutely correct. All right. So first column में we are going to discuss subject pronouns. Then second column में उसके corresponding ER endings discuss करेंगे. फिर IR endings and finally RE endings. This is something which we already know. Okay. Lisha wants to answer. Yes, Lisha, I'm going to give you the speech access. Yeah.
Yes,
Hello
ma'am.
again, Lisha.
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me the subject pronouns quickly.
Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, ils, elles.
Super. Very good. And O भी लिख सकते हैं इल के साथ. Yeah. Very good, Lisha. I put you on mute, and we give the speech access to Jay. Jay says he wants to answer. Hi, Jay. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay. Jay, अभी हमको ER ending चाहिए. Subject pronoun
Yes.
सामने देखो और ER endings बोलो. मतलब जो के साथ कौन सा आएगा ER ending?
E.
Very good. Q के साथ?
ES.
Absolutely correct. Continue.
E.
Yes.
ONS.
Yes.
EZ.
Absolutely correct.
ENT.
Very,
ENT.
very good. Very, very good. Now, next, who would like to answer for the IR ending verbs? Thank you, Jay. We mute you. Okay, Isha.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello, dear. IR endings.
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
IS,
Yes.
IS, IT, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT.
Superb. क्या बात है? Fast train.
Thank you, miss.
Okay. Would you like to say the RE endings too? Isha? Isha, can you hear me? Okay. Isha, I'll give you the speech access again. Or, okay, wait, Shivani wants to answer. So let's give her the chance. Finally, लगता है जो Shivani.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, let's start. Shivani.
S.
Yes.
S.
Yes.
Nothing. Nothing. ONS EZENT.
Okay, absolutely correct. अभी nothing मतलब it is very important to remember children that हम nothing मतलब आंसर में blank नहीं छोड़ेंगे. मतलब यहाँ पे RE ड्रॉप करेंगे वर्ब में से एंड एंडिंग कुछ नहीं लगाएंगे. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, आई रिपीट, अगर RE एंडिंग वर्ब है, फॉर एग्जांपल वॉन्ड्रो, VENDRE, तो हम RE ड्रॉप करेंगे और एंडिंग कुछ नहीं लगाएंगे. मतलब VENDRE का RE ड्रॉप किया, फिर क्या बचा? VEND. तो हम वी एंड एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट जय, हम वी एंड डी लिखेंगे बट उसको ऐड कुछ नहीं करेंगे, दूसरा एंडिंग कुछ नहीं डालेंगे. वेरी गुड शिवानी. So why are they called regular verbs now? Okay, the question is इनको regular verbs क्यों बोलते हैं? इनको regular verbs इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि all the ER verbs, IR verbs and RE verbs they take a pattern. सारे ER verbs को हम ES, EONS, EZ, ENT लगाते हैं. IR के लिए IS, IS, IT. So you see they follow a particular pattern, which is why they are called as regular verbs. Okay, I hope you are getting this, why they are called as regular verbs. I repeat, they are called as regular verbs because they follow a specific pattern. Okay, उनको एक pattern है, एक regular pattern follow करते हैं. सब ER endings E, ES, EONS, EZ, ENT follow करते हैं. सब regular IR verbs IS, IS, IT ये वाला ending follow करते हैं. That is why they are called regular verbs. All right. सबको ending clear है? Just have a look so that we can have a small test later on. Take few seconds, go through the endings. Yeah, Shikha is done, Palak is done, Jay is done. Yes, Shivani, you are absolutely correct. Their endings are same, which is why they are called regular. Shushti is done. Very good. Dev is done from Vikroli branch. Very good, Dev. Vijay says dark green signal. Very, very good. उसका एकदम perfectly हो गया. All right. So I'll change the screen now. All right. You have these three verbs. You can start conjugating ferme in the chat box. No. खाली endings नहीं लिखना है, हम पूरा verb conjugate करेंगे. Okay, how to put the answer in the chat box? हम जो form conjugate करके enter नहीं करेंगे, पूरा खत्म करेंगे conjugation, फिर enter करेंगे. जो थ्यू इल नो वू इल, पूरा conjugation खत्म होने के बाद हम enter press करेंगे. Okay, that makes correction easier for me. Finish typing the whole thing and then press enter. सृष्टि पूरा finish करो and then press enter. Kushi, they finish the whole thing, then press enter. Okay. J, Q, il, L, nu, vu, il, L. पूरा conjugation खत्म होने के बाद. Yes, I see Lisha has put it absolutely correctly. Okay, Lisha, वो form में आपको correction करना है. आप देखो क्या correction करना है. I think that is just a typo. Lisha, वो form. Rashi, Q form में there is one letter missing. Rest of it is correct. Absolutely correct, Palak. Perfect है आपका. Conjugations are perfect. Jay, perfect. Yes, Lisha, आपने correct कर लिया. Absolutely correct. Rashi, good. Okay, great. Now the remaining two verbs you can do in your notebook. Shuazir and Atondro. Do it in the notebook and then I shall ask. Shuazir is very, very important. Let me see आप अच्छे से करते हो कि नहीं. इसमें okay, I will tell it later. First you try. Nisha, Shuazir is absolutely correct except for one typo in the end. Riti from JB Nagar, terme का conjugation is absolutely correct. Palak, Shuazir में j का q का ending check करो. Nu, who, else में भी okay. This is something that most of the students go wrong in. I will explain this. Okay, Palak, थोड़ा सा mistake है यहाँ पे nu, who and else में. Jai correct, Shuazir का conjugation correct है. Okay, I see so many conjugations coming up. We will discuss this at the end. Finally, atondra. Abhi atondra. Yeah, Lisha has typed it absolutely correctly. But Lisha, आपने subject pronouns नहीं डाला. शिवानी, शुआजीर में ज का ending क्या था याद करो. Yes. Yes, शिवानी. तो आपको correction करो अभी. Very good, Shivani. I see the correction now. Shikha ka Shuazir is absolutely correct. Very good, Shikha. Shuazir is one, not tricky, but okay. थोड़ा सा confusion होता है students को because of one small reason. Let's say when we are discussing this. All right, I see a lot of you already have put the answers. We will discuss this quickly. Samara is raising hand. Samara, I have unmuted you. Samara, can you hear me?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, dear. Okay. मुझे फटाफट फेरमे का conjugation बोल दो.
Ferme.
हाँ.
Je suis like ferme with an e at the end.
Passé composé नहीं dear. Present tense.
Oh, present tense. Ferme.
Yes, very good.
Tu Afermes.
ए नहीं लगाना है.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Tu es ferme with
Yes.
an e. Il est ferme.
हमारा est नहीं लगाना है. It's not passé composé. I repeat. हमको normal present tense conjugation करना है. Okay. हमारा hold on. I will mute you for a while and you can listen to someone else and then I'll come back to you, Samara. Okay. Shikha, you can unmute yourself. Samara, I'll come back to you. Please do listen carefully. Shikha, can you hear me?
Yes.
Shikha, I can't hear you. Are you there?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay. Shikha, ferme का conjugation. थोड़ा जल्दी हाँ. Oh, Shikha, we can't hear you. Can you all hear Shikha? I am not able to hear her.
Hello?
No, okay. Even Palak can't hear. All right. Shikha, I think there is some problem from your end. So unfortunately, I will give you a chance to Jay. Jay, unmute yourself, dear. आपको notification आया होगा unmute. Yes, Nisha. Wait. आपको भी chance मिलेगा. Just hold on. Jay, can you hear me? अच्छा, I'll give you the speech access once again. अभी आया notification Jay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Jay, फटाफट बोल दो मुझे ferme conjugation.
Ferme.
Yes.
Fermes.
Yes.
Ferme.
Yes.
Fermons.
Very good.
Fermez.
Yes.
Ferment.
Very, very good. So class, you can check ferme conjugation. Endings and subject pronoun अच्छे से correspond होना चाहिए. Job के साथ ending e, to के साथ ending es. Very, very good, Jay. आपने ये follow किया.
Thank
It's
you, ma'am.
absolutely correct. Okay. Lisha, I'm unmuting you for the IR verb.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, start dear. Shuazi, do you remember?
Yes.
Yeah, start.
Jo, CHOISIS.
Very good.
CHOISIS.
Yes.
Il, CHOISIT.
Very, very good.
Nu, CHOISISSONS.
Absolutely correct.
Who, CHOISISSEZ.
Yes.
Ils, CHOISISSENT.
Okay. Very good, Lisha. आपने ये common mistake जो students generally करते हैं वो आपने नहीं किया. Very, very good. So I'm going to talk about the mistake that students generally do. Others, please listen. अभी यही वाले verb में क्यों problem होता है students को? Let's see. CHOIS is the verb. Okay, CHOISIR is the verb. अभी ये IR ending verb है ना, तो हम IR drop करके दूसरे endings लगाएंगे. IR drop करके IS, IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Red में जो है ना, वो IR drop करने के बाद लगाना होता है. Now, the thing over here is CHOIS base है. IR drop करने के बाद जो बचता है CHOIS वो है. Okay, I repeat. Shwazir, main verb. See my cursor. This is the main verb. CHOISIR. यहाँ से IR drop करेंगे तो हमको base मिलेगा, which is CHOIS. तो जो black में लिखा है CHOIS everywhere in the conjugation, please follow my cursor. CHOIS is the base. And ending is IS. So in the first one, IS दो बार दिख रहा है. That is why students usually get confused. Okay? तो याद रखो first IS जो है वो base है, वो तो already spelling में दिया हुआ है. And second IS जो red में है वो तो हम ending लगा रहे हैं. Okay? That is a regular IR ending. So do not get confused and do not mix these two. Okay? ये दोनों चीज को mix नहीं करने का. That is why job form में generally students CHOIS ही लिखते हैं क्योंकि ending IS है and उनको ending में IS already दिखता है. So remember CHOIS base and फिर से IS ending लगाना होता है. So that is why you see 2 times IS. Okay, I hope I am making myself clear. ये वाला mistake अभी से मत करना. In case you have done, please do the correction. Very, very good. I think Lisha answered this and she answered perfectly. Next one, RE verb. Let me see in the chat box who would like to answer. Okay, Palak, I'm going to unmute you. Palak, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher. Hello.
Yeah, hello dear. Let's start. Third wala verb, atondra.
J apostrophe ATTENTS.
Very good. यही मुझे चाहिए था. J apostrophe. She remembered this. Very good, Palak. Go ahead.
Q attends.
Yes.
No attendance.
Palak. Okay. Spelling बचा. Spelling.
Sorry.
Spelling बताओ. atondra का endings बताओ मुझे अच्छे से.
ATTENDS.
Yes.
ATTEND.
Yes.
ATTENDONS.
Yes.
ATTENDEZ. And
Yes.
ATTENDENT.
Very, very good. So what was most important over here is not forgetting the apostrophe in the job form. Job form में J apostrophe याद रखना था, which Palak remembered very well. Very good, Palak. Pat yourself. Okay. So you have 3 regular verbs, ER, IR and RE. Okay. Very, very good. Let's go ahead. ये तो regular verbs तो हम champions ही है इसमें, हमको आता है. Now comes irregular verb. Okay, I'm going to ask a few questions again. अच्छा. First 2 verbs are etro and avoir. Yeah, Vijay, I say you want to answer. Just hold on first. Okay, let me unmute him. Yeah, Vijay, can you
Yes,
hear me?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So Vijay, etro and avoir, ये 2 verbs हम कौन से tense में use करते हैं?
Past composed है.
Very, very good. फिर थर्ड वाला वर्ब आले. आले कौन से टेंस में यूज करते हैं हम?
Future tense.
सुपर्ब, क्या बात है यार. वनीद.
Past récent.
Superb, absolutely correct. क्या बात है. I'm so proud of you. So I repeat, être and avoir are used in passé composé. Ale is used in future proche. Venir is used in passé récent. Okay. विजय, आपने कौन सा वर्ब कहाँ यूज हो रहा है ये तो बता दिया. आप मुझे फॉर्मेशन भी बता दोगे क्या फटाफट? passé composé का फॉर्मेशन क्या है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead.
Subject, conjugation of être or avoir, past
Plus
participle plus past
वेरी
participle.
गुड, वेरी गुड. सब्जेक्ट प्लस एत्रो और अवर का कॉन्जुगेशन, एत्रो और अवर, और दोनों साथ में नहीं, इधर और प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. नेक्स्ट वन, आले वाला फॉर्मेशन बताओ मुझे, कौन सा टेंस है एंड फॉर्मेशन बताओ.
फ्यूचर प्रोस है.
वेरी
और
गुड.
फिर सब्जेक्ट
प्लस
प्लस कॉन्जुगेशन ऑफ आलेर
प्लस.
प्लस infinitive.
वेरी गुड विजय. एंड वनीर.
Subject plus conjugation of venir plus the de plus infinitive.
अच्छा, अगर इन्फिनेटिव वॉवल से स्टार्ट होता है तो क्या करोगे?
D apostrophe.
वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट विजय.
Okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
dear. We mute you. Okay, I see a lot of people saying they want to answer. Lisha, I'm going to unmute you.
Yes,
Yeah.
teacher.
Yeah. Hello, Lisha. Quickly tell me etra conjugation.
Just US
Spelling. Lisha. Spelling.
SUIS
Yes.
ES
Yes.
EST
Hmm.
SOMMES
Yes.
E circumflex TES
Very good. Very good. So here what is very important is the circumflex, which she remembered. Lisha, our
AI
Yes.
AX
Yes.
AVONS AVEZONT.
Very good. So I'll display the two verbs that she has just said. Okay, Lisha, जो form में our कैसे लिखोगे?
J''AI.
Excellent. Very good, Lisha. We mute you. Thank you, dear. Shrushti wants to answer, and I see somebody else was also there. Samara, okay. Samara? Samara, I can't see her. Is she there? I think she has some net issues. Okay. Isha and Shrushti, I'll come to you. Isha, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, okay. आले conjugation बता दो मुझे.
VAIS, VAS, VA, VA, ALLONS, ALLEZ, VONT.
Absolutely correct. Very good. Vanir conjugation भी बता दोगे, Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead.
VIENS, VIENS, VIENT, VIENT, VENOS, NONS.
Yes, very good.
VENEZ, VIENNENT, VIENNENT.
Absolutely correct. Shabash. क्या बात है, Isha? So
Isha.
Isha. My bad. Okay. Very good, Isha. Pat yourself. Superb. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
You can have chocolate on my behalf. Okay. So now fair. Let me know who wants to. I know Rajdhani Express. एकदम फटाफट बोल दिया उसने. Shivani wants to answer. I'm so happy. आज सब participate करे. Very good. ऐसे ही जोश में रहा करो.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Shivani. Fair and dear दोनों बताओगे या सिर्फ fair बताना है?
दोनों.
Wow, क्या बात है. Start.
FAIS, FAIS, FAIT, FAIT, FAISONS, FAITES, FONT.
Absolutely correct. यहाँ पे उसको दो चीज याद रखनी थी, FAITES and FONT, जो उसने बराबर से याद रख के बोला. वेरी गुड शिवानी. दीर.
DIS, DIT, DIT, DISONS, DITES, DISENT.
Yes, very good. Last वाला guesswork side seems, but you are right. Absolutely correct. Shivani, I'm muting you. Okay, थोड़ा सा disturbance है आपके end पे. So here what was very important is DITES, जो उसने अच्छे से याद रखा. Okay, यहाँ पे याद रखो fair and dear. FAISEZ and DISEZ नहीं है. FAITES and DITES है. Okay, SEZ नहीं TES है. This is very very important to remember. If you want, make a note of it. Woo form of fair and woo form of deer. They are very much like एत्र. एत्र में E circumflex TES. Ending देखो TES है ना, वैसे ही fair में ending TES, deer में ending TES. Okay, I'll keep it here for a while. The verbs are over here for a while. Once you are ready, let me know so that we can again have a small test. If you are not writing the conjugations, I would want you to at least write down the list of verbs that we are covering. List बना के लिख दो. एत्र, avoir, aller, venir, faire, dire. Okay, these 6 verbs are covered. Make a list of it. Quickly make a list of it. Verbs का list notebook में जाना चाहिए. Jai is done, Vijay is done, Kushi is done, Lisha is done. I hope you all are writing the verbs in the notebook. At least आपको verbs का list जाना चाहिए. एत्र, avoir, aller, venir, faire, dire. Yes, very good. Palak is done, Shikha is done. All right, I'm going to unmute one person once again. Let me know who wants to answer. हमने, yeah, okay. Jay, I'm going to give you the speech access. Jay, आपको आया notification? Unmute yourself from your end. Jay?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
अच्छा, मुझे अभी मीनिंग्स बताते जाओ. एत्र का मीनिंग?
To be.
Very good. Others can make a note of it. Avoir?
To have.
Very good. Aller?
To go.
Venir?
To come.
Very good. Faire?
To do or to make.
Dire?
To say.
और to tell. Very good.
Or
अभी
to tell.
इसमें आपने कोई opposite note किया क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सा वाला?
Aller and venir.
Very good. So you can make a note of it. Aller to go, venir to come. Opposite. Aller, opposite, venir. अब इंग्लिश में हम क्रॉस डालते हैं, फ्रेंच में हम नॉट इक्वल टू डालते हैं. आई एम
Not
श्योर यू ऑल वेरी वेल रिमेम्बर दिस. Opposites के लिए हम नॉट इक्वल टू साइन डाल. Aller not equal to venir. No,
Yes.
Shivani doesn't remember, but now you do know, right? Yeah. Thank you, Jay.
Thank you.
Shall I go ahead? सबका मीनिंग एंड सब वर्ब्स का नाम लिख दिया बुक में? Yes, Palak says yes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. Now you have to put the answers in the chat box. So be ready. Okay, you have to put the answers very very quickly. So here goes your first question. Jaw in the avoir form. फटाफट डालो chat box में. Let me see. Wow, I see answers coming from Lisha. Lisha, subject pronoun भी चाहिए मुझे साथ में. शिवानी correct, Konda correct, Vijay correct, Shrishti correct, शिखा, पलक, जय, Lisha, very very good. सबने apostrophe याद रखा है. Very very good, excellent. Ved, very good. Okay, next question. Be ready to type again in the chat box. Q, etre. Etre in the Q form. In the chat box quickly. Very, very good. So the first answer is given by Atharva Konda, Shivani, Isha. Very good. Vijay, Rashi, Ved, Palak, Shikha, Lisha. Lisha, subject pronoun भी साथ में लिखते जाओ. Isha, Lisha, Vikas, Masurkar. Vikas, your branch name is not mentioned here. Jay, Dev, very good. Excellent. सबका answers perfect है. Third वाला question. In the chat box quickly. Let me see who answers first. Konda, oh my God. Konda, silly mistake है. चलो फटाफट से self correction करो. Shivani, absolutely correct. Vijay, correct. Shikha, ale hai, ale, not avar. It's okay, happen. Self correction कर लो अभी. Jay, correct. Shrushti, correct. Isha, correct. Palak, correct. Dev, अथर्व, yeah, see, I see Konda ने correction डाला, खुद से correct किया. Very good. Shikha, correct. Ved, absolutely correct. Very, very good. Okay, ready for the next question? Again in the chat box. 1, 2, and 3. There goes Vanir in the new form. Wow, so fast you all are, man. Shivani ने first answer डाला, absolutely perfect. Palak, perfect. Jay कौन सा वाला आंसर दे रहे हो आप अभी? ओके, कोंडा करेक्ट, ईशा करेक्ट, देव करेक्ट, वेद, सृष्टि, विजय, जय करेक्ट, वैष्णवी, शिखा, वाओ सुपर्ब, लिशा करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. And the last question for these 6 verbs. Let's start. Be ready to type in the chat box. 1, 2, 3, and go. Here it is. Pair in the woo form. Oh, Shivani is ready with the answer. Very good, Shivani. Shivani, Konda, Vijay, correct. Palak, एक silly mistake हो गया. Self correction करो. No problem. Self correction करो. Isha, correct. Dev, correct. Ved, correct. Rashi, Srushti, Lisha, woo form है. Woo. आपने no form conjugation लिख दिया by mistake. Shikha, correct. Jay, correct. Vaishnavi, correct. Lisha, correct. Yes. Superb. So, very good. I am going to quickly tell the answers. First one, J apostrophe AI. Apostrophe was very important here. Then, Q के साथ etra is ES. QES. Ale in the ill form is VA. Vanir in the new form is VENONS. And finally, woo form में fair is FAITES. TES. TEZ नहीं. Okay? ये एक small सा error था by someone. So please remember FAITES. Yeah. So we go ahead with the next set of irregular verbs. Okay, let me know in the chat box. Do you want to go ahead with next set of irregular verbs or do you want to play French quiz? I will go with the majority. In the chat box, both Palak, I hope we had that much time. हमारे पास 15 minutes है approx. Okay, I see a lot of people saying quiz. All right, but remember ये 5 verbs, ये 5-6 verbs हमको note down करके perfectly याद रखने हैं next class के लिए. और last verb quickly डाल दो else and then I will start with the quiz. Deer in the else form. Okay, I see a lot of you saying quiz. I will go with the majority. We will start quiz. विजय आराम से else form है, देखो else move form में conjugate कर दिया आपने. Look at the question carefully. Shivani correct, Isha correct, Srushti correct, Konda correct, Rashi, oh my god, I think तुम लोग फटाफट टाइप करने में टाइपो हो जा रहा है. शिखा ELLES प्लूरल है, सिंगुलर नहीं. राशि टाइपो. अलग करेक्ट, ईशा करेक्ट. वेद प्लूरल है, प्लीज देखो अच्छे से. ELLES. विजय करेक्ट, जय करेक्ट. शिखा वो फॉर्म नहीं, एल्स फॉर्म है, ELLES. So those who have written DISENT, it's absolutely correct. ELLES है ना, इसीलिए DISENT. अगर खाली ELLE होता तो we would have written DIT. Yes, Rashi, self correction. Good. So I will stop sharing the screen now. I hope you have the list of verbs with you. एक बार डिस्प्ले कर देती हूँ. अगर नहीं है तो ये लिस्ट अच्छे से अपने नोटबुक में लिख दो. एथरा, अवार, आले, ये 6 वर्ब, ये 6 इरेगुलर वर्ब्स हमने कवर किए. एंड हमने रेगुलर ER, IR, RE वर्ब्स भी कवर किए. Okay, that all of that should go in the notebook. I'll stop sharing the screen now and we will start with the quiz as you all have demanded for quiz. Okay, be ready with another device and let me know in the chat box once you are all set. दूसरा डिवाइस लाके रेडी रहो. By that time I will share the screen. Yeah, hold on, hold on. This is online, so it's going to take a little while to share. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. You are going to enter the pin. If you remember last time जैसे ही हम करेंगे. Do not log in. Enter the pin that you will see on the screen. Just hold on. Let me share the screen. Yeah. Here it is. Let me know if you can see in the chat box. Enter the pin so that I can see you over here. Yeah, I see Vaishnavi, Lisha, Vijay, Archana, Palak, Konda, Khushi, Dhairya, all set and ready with the pin. Very, very good. I'll wait for a while. So those who are still, let me know once you are ready. Is anyone still trying to enter the pin? Let me know so that I will wait. 12 players are ready to go. I'm still waiting for more. Fourteen players ready to go. Okay, Shikha says how to join. Shikha, you open the app. Okay, open the app and center में आपको you will be seeing enter pin. नीचे देखो, नीचे सेंटर में enter the pin. वहां पे आप ये वाला पिन डालो जो बोल्ड में यहाँ पे दिख रहा है 864232. शिखा, you enter this pin, open the app, enter pin पे क्लिक करो, ये वाला पिन इंसर्ट करो, then write your name and then press on go. Shikha, am I clear? I'm waiting for you to join, okay? No worries. Let me know once you are all set. If you have any doubt, I will unmute you so that you can ask. Shikha, any doubt? Okay, let me unmute you. 17 players ready to go. Shikha, do you have any doubt, dear?
No,
आप
miss.
join हो रहे हो ना? I cannot see your name over here.
एक मिनट.
Yeah, very good. She's joined. Abhi, I'm going to repeat the rules once again, just in case anyone was absent last time. We will see the questions and the options on the Zoom screen. Okay, Zoom वाले ऐप पे यहाँ पे ही आप देखोगे questions and options. दूसरा डिवाइस जहाँ पे आपने पिन एंटर किया वहां पे आप सिर्फ अप्रोप्रिएट करेक्ट प्रॉपर कलर चूज करोगे. प्रॉपर ऑप्शन चूज करने के लिए, आंसर सिलेक्ट करने के लिए आप दूसरा डिवाइस यूज करोगे. ओके, आई रिपीट, क्वेश्चंस देखने के लिए एंड ऑप्शंस देखने के लिए जूम रेफर करो एंड आंसर सिलेक्ट करने के लिए दूसरा वाला डिवाइस जहां पे आपने पिन एंटर किया वो यूज करोगे आप. ओके, एनी डाउट सो फार? लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स. 19 players have joined. Shall I wait? Is anyone still trying to join in? Shall I start? Yeah, Isha says no doubt, Palak says no doubt, Shivani says no doubt, Jay says start. Is anyone still trying to enter? Because once I start with the game, you won't be able to enter. Start? Okay, let's start. 19 players. And I'm going to start. I repeat, questions and options on the Zoom screen. Okay, and answer select करने के लिए दूसरा वाला device हम use करेंगे. I see 20 players. Someone else has joined. Anyone? Shall I wait? Are you still inserting the pin? Let me know. I'm waiting for a few more seconds. Okay, so the questions are going to be on adjectives. All right, तो एक बार खाली सुन लो. हमने डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स कवर किया जिसमें मैस्कुलिन सिंगुलर सीई, मैस्कुलिन सिंगुलर एंड वोवेल हुआ तो सीईटी, फेमिनिन सिंगुलर सीईटीटीई, फेमिनिन सिंगुलर एंड वोवेल हुआ तो फिर भी सीईटीटीई, वोवेल स्लैश होने देंगे. एंड मैस्कुलिन प्लूरल हुआ या फेमिनिन प्लूरल हुआ डजंट मैटर, वी विल राइट सीईएस. दिस इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. ओके, देन पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव तो हमने आज रिवाइज किया. विजय हैड आंसर्ड इफ यू रिमेंबर. मोमा में, ज के साथ मोमा में, तू के साथ तोता ते, इल के साथ सो ता ते, नु के साथ नॉस्ट्रो नॉस्ट्रो नो, वू के साथ वॉट्रो वॉट्रो वो, इल जेल के साथ लर लर एंड लर. ऑल राइट, and then finally interrogative adjectives. QUEL masculine singular, QUELS masculine plural, QUELLE feminine singular, QUELLES feminine plural. All right, I'm going to start. I think we have crossed our time limit today, so I'm immediately starting. The questions are on the screen. 20 seconds to answer. फटाफट answer करोगे तो you can be the winner. Question on the screen, options on the screen. Quickly choose. This is qualifying adjective. Okay, so qualifying adjectives I know we have not done, but you can still attempt. Do not leave out. कौन सा वाला आंसर? गार्सों इज मैस्कुलिन सिंगुलर. कौन सा वाला मैस्कुलिन सिंगुलर यहाँ पे दिख रहा है? चूज करेक्टली. ऑल्सो यू हैड टू रिमेम्बर कौन सा वाला नाउन के पहले आता है. गार्सों, the blank is before the noun, so you had to choose. Well, correct answers. Very good. I'm so happy. Yeah, so we go ahead. Next question. Be ready to answer. Okay, and here comes the next question. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. अच्छे से देखो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव कौन सा है. ग्रेट, 10 राइट आंसर्स. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव इज सीई सीईटी वाला. लेट्स सी हु आंसर्ड फर्स्ट. धैर्य, वेरी गुड धैर्य. विजय, अथर्व, सृष्टि, ईशा, वेरी गुड. गुड टू सी यू ऑल. नेक्स्ट, थर्ड क्वेश्चन and the options on the screen. इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. अच्छे से देखो विच इज द इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. कौन सा वाला यहाँ पे फिट हो रहा है. एंड या टाइम्स अप. 7 राइट आंसर्स. लेट्स सी हु इज फर्स्ट टू आंसर. धैर्य, सृष्टि, ईशा, विजय एंड अथर्व. वेरी गुड. लेट्स गो अहेड. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन ओवर हियर ऑन द स्क्रीन. पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स. ये तो हमने आज ही डिस्कस किया, अच्छे से रिवाइज किया. Nous parlons avec dash pair. Possessive.